Brown paint, brown paint. Let's get some brown paint. I'm not going to do it today. I'm going to do it tomorrow. Then I can have some brown paint. Now I got to do this part. And I think I'm actually running out of marker juice. So maybe this is why it's looking more like hot chocolate instead of turkey brown. For some of the turkeys in the models, they had gray bodies instead of brown. So, yeah. I'm starting to get a glue smell too. You know what to think of that. Okay, so as far as I can tell, this is a brown cup. Alright, to make the feathers, paint the white construction paper with several fall colors. And I don't have any paper, but I do have some of these plates left. So I don't even tell you how to cut this. Oh, cut the feathers out in one large piece. Should be shaped similar to a hand or a crown. So why don't I just do this? Why don't I just trace my hand and then cut it out? That would make it so much easier. I might have to go to Dollar General and get more plates. Yeah, I have bigger hands than I remember. Now I'm going to have to wash my hands. I hope I don't touch my white pants with it. Why did I decide to wear white pants for? Cut out the hand. Either that or I could take some of these scraps that are not part of the hand and make them the feathers. I almost think that would work better. Let's color it off. Should be a hand or a crown. Well, I don't have a crown, but I do have a hand. I might just paint both sides of the hand too. And I'll do all fall colors. I'll do like red and yellow and orange and brown. And then it'll look nice. Cup really looks great. They cut out the hand instead of them talking to it. There's the doorbell to the church. Or the office center, because it's only at the church on Wednesday nights and Sundays.